Hello everyone and welcome to the lecture on Amazon CodeGuru Reviewer. So this lecture will contain all these topics. What is Amazon CodeGuru Reviewer? Type of recommendations, languages and repository support, how CodeGuru Reviewer works, recommendations and feedback, repository association process, code review workflow and code review management. So what is Amazon CodeGuru Reviewer? Amazon CodeGuru Reviewer is a program analysis and machine learning service designed to detect code defects in Java and Python. It ensures code quality by finding defects that are difficult to detect and suggest improvements. CodeGuru Reviewer benefits the review stage through proactive detection, implementation guidelines, and best practices. Amazon CodeGuru Reviewer is generally available in multiple regions. So what kind of recommendations can CodeGuru Reviewer provide? So first, CodeGuru Reviewer focuses on identifying complex problems and does not flag basic syntactical mistakes. It performs security analysis by including secrets detection and integrating with AWS Secrets Manager. Recommendations include resource management, specifically for leak prevention. CodeGuru Reviewer employs multiple detectors within each type of recommendation to comprehensively analyze your code. What languages and repositories can I use with CodeGuru Reviewer? So first, there are only two current support. There are Java and Python code repositories. It is compatible with source providers such as AWS Code Commit, Bitbucket, GitHub, GitHub Enterprise Cloud, GitHub Enterprise Server and Amazon S3, and that is only through GitHub Actions. Integrating CodeGuru Reviewer involves a simple repository association with just a few steps. Recommendations can be accessed in the CodeGuru Reviewer console and directly within pull request. So GitHub pull request or the regular pull request in your code repository. So how Amazon CodeGuru Reviewer works? CodeGuru Reviewer's core technology is based on program analysis and machine learning models trained on millions of lines of code. The analysis process includes automatic pull request analysis and on-demand repository scans with continuous improvement over time. CodeGuru Reviewer ensures quality assurance by providing recommendations with low false positives and improving its analysis over time using feedback. For configuration options, users can use a YAML file to specify exclusions for analysis. So recommendations from code reviews can be viewed in the CodeGuru Reviewer console and also as pull request comments. So the service reviews cover both incremental code changes and full repository analysis. Developers can decide how to use recommendations and provide feedback on their usefulness. Developer feedback helps improve code quality and makes CodeGuru Reviewers' future recommendations more effective. So working with repository associations. To start using a reviewer, you need to add a repository containing your source code and create something called a repository association. The association process involves setting up pull request notifications using webhooks and configuring source code access for the reviewer to clone the repository. During association, the status is associating while notifications and access are being set up, and it changes to associated once the process is complete. After successful association, CodeGuru Reviewer performs an initial full scan of the repository. This enables you to conduct incremental and full repository analysis code reviews in future. So first time full scan and later on it will just do an incremental. So working with code reviews, so you can create, as I talked about, incremental code reviews or full repository analysis code reviews. Recommendations can be viewed in the reviewer console and also as comments, as I talked about, for pull requests for the incremental reviews. And CodeGuru Reviewers prioritizes the language with more files in a repository for recommendations. If there is a tie in file count between Java and Python, Java recommendations are generated. So this is if you have a mixed repository. In a code review, CodeGuru reviewer analyzes your code and provides recommendations to improve. So that I talked about, how you work with the code reviews. And on the code reviewer console, these are the action items that you can view and work with. So you can create full repository. You have view all code from the last 90 days. You can navigate directly to incremental code reviews and the repositories. You can view details about code reviews and whether they are completed. You can check whether the CodeGuru reviewer used your AWS CodeGuru reviewer YAML file for an analysis and review any error messages. And you can view all recommendations for each code review directly in the console. And finally, you can provide feedback to indicate which recommendations were helpful and which recommendations were not helpful. So this will help the CodeGuru reviewer in fine-tuning its own model for your current repository. And that's all. Thanks for watching.